Hello, welcome to the Conscious Craft Studio. Today we're going to be learning how to do the cobble stitch. We're going to do a swatch which is 11 stitches by 11 rows. We'll start with a slip knot. We then need to chain 11 stitches. After we've chained 11 stitches, we're going to do one chaining up stitch. This is because the depth of our stitch is a double crochet. So we're just going to do, as I say, 11 chain stitches and just chain up one stitch. We then miss the chained up stitch and do a row of 11 double crochet. This is double crochet in UK terms. So you push the hook through, yarn over, pull through, you have 2 loops on the hook and pull through again. Once you have completed your row of 11 double crochet, you just need to chain up one stitch and turn your work like a book. We're now going to start the crochet pattern. So for this we do 1 double crochet followed by a double treble crochet. The cobble stitch is a one-sided pattern. The cobbles appear on one side only. You can start to see the cobbles appearing. Continue doing 1 double crochet followed by a double treble crochet until you reach the end of the row. Once you reach the end of the row, chain up 1 and turn your work like a book. Here you can see the 5 cobbles you've produced. Now you just do a row of 11 double crochet, working into the V's that have been produced by the stitches below. Now you just chain up and turn like a book, and you start the pattern row again, starting with 1 double crochet followed by a double treble crochet until you reach the end of the row. You should always finish with a double crochet at the end. Once you've finished the alternating row, once again you do a row of double crochet. So the pattern works as a row of double crochet followed by alternating row of double crochet followed by double treble crochet, ending with a double crochet. Once you have completed your 11 rows, you will have a swatch of 5 by 5 cobbles. Thank you for watching. We'll hope to see you again soon.